Hey guys, welcome to my channel Linux King. My name is Salman Francis, and in our Let's Learn DevOps series, this is third video of our Git. And if you remember from my last video where we failed to push our local data to the remote repository, I told you to follow me in my third video. And so today we are going to check what was the issue and how to fix that. So if you remember, we were able to create our local repository. We were able to do everything. We created our GitHub account. And then when we tried to git push origin master, and it failed. It said that permission denied, public key, fatal, could not read from remote repository. So in order to fix this issue, we need to create our SSH key. We need to generate SSH key, and in order to do that, we will use ssh-keygen. I'm on Linux box, so I'm going to use ssh-keygen. Type is RSA, and C means my email address. And then I am going to check if I would be able to push the data to remote repository or not. But how to do that, let's take a look at our demo. So I'm going to create ssh-keygen, and then type is RSA-C. My email address is learning@hitpings.com. learning@hitpings.com. Okay, perfect. So it's asking for the place where it needs to save my keys, and this is fine. I'm not going to give it any passphrase, but for more security you can always give the passphrase. Okay, so now my key is generated, and I need to go into this ID RSA public key. Okay, just remember I need to copy this public key. So let's go to cd root.ssh and vim into id_rsa.pub and just copy this key. Copy it, and now we need to go to our GitHub account, and from here, like we are here, okay, just click on this profile picture of yours and then go to settings. Then click SSH and GPG key, and here you can just add new key, paste it here, give it any name. So I can write here my my home comp key, or any distinguishable name. Any name with which you can distinguish the computer. Okay, just add it, and if everything goes well, so it will the key would be added successfully. Now let's go back and go back to our directory, and this time if we use the same command like git push dash update origin, you can see that the data is successfully pushed. Perfect. Okay, so now let's go to our GitHub account, and now we have it here, DevOps Learning, and you can check that we have this Git file also, and DevOps training. Click it, and here we have it, index.html. Click it, and if you remember, we created this heading. This is a DevOps training, and now let me edit it from our GitHub. So click on edit. I'm going to add another heading, h2, and this is being edited from github.com. Okay, and now I am going to close this heading and I am going to save the data by committing the changes. Okay, so you can see that the data has been saved here, but now if I go to my local computer and go to DevOps training and cat the content, you can see it's not updated here. So in order to do that, we need to fetch or pull the data. So in order to pull the data, what we need to do is we just need to give this command git pull origin master, like pull the data from origin to master. So let's do that. Git pull origin master. Okay, now data is fetched. Clear the screen. And now if I cat the content, this time of index.html, you can see that the file has been updated. Perfect. So I hope you guys have a good understanding now how you can update or send data from local repository to the remote repository, how you can connect from your local computer with GitHub account, and how to fetch data and how to update data. So thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also subscribe to my Facebook page. It's facebook.com/LinuxKing77. Join our Facebook group. It's lzh-project. And please spread this knowledge to your friends and family. Goodbye.